When you've been at home, have you noticed that your mood swings have been a little off? Have you had, strong anger or grumpiness or maybe sadness and you don't know where it's coming from? Well, it could be that the space in your home needs to have its energy cleared. Just like in our bodies, we accumulate stale energy in our homes, especially in places where maybe we've had a visitor or a guest, or we have been crying or angry in one of our rooms. That energy just builds up over time and can then cause weird mood swings. So, I'm going to teach you a quick technique today of how to smudge your home and just make everything feel lighter in your house. So you're just going to need a sage stick bundle or a Palo Santo stick. You can also use essential oils if you have to, if you don't have these, and just put it on your hands. Just make sure you choose something that feels right and maybe counteractive to what's going on in your space. Like if it feels really heavy, choose a scent that makes you feel light and joyful. So now just take a plate or something like that to put underneath your sage or Palo Santo when you light it, because you don't want to set your house on fire. So after you do that, you're just going to sit there for a second and ask your angels, your spirit guides, God, Jesus, Mother Mary, archangels, universe, anybody you feel like you need to pray to help you in this journey. So please just work with them and ask them to please protect and help you clear your energy in your space. So now you're just going to go around to every door, window, hallway in middle of the room, and all you're going to do is, I always put a cross around each space and ask, please cleanse and clear this space. Please remove any entities and energies that are not of the white light, and please protect this space. So I just do that in every single area, just repeating that over and over again and visualizing the space being energetically cleared. After that, you may want to open some windows and you may want to clean, vacuum, spray some fresh, like room freshener, just make things a little bit tidier. But you should notice that your space feels a lot lighter, your energy feels better, and just overall there's some brightness that you might not have had in your home before that. So I hope this helps. Please send me a message if you need more instruction or if you need a more advanced technique to clear the energy in your home, because sometimes there are things that are lingering that the smudging might not work for, but I can help you with that if you need it. Have a great rest of your day.